Hey y'all, so growing up as a kid in the boot in the dirty South, Louisiana, sometimes my mom would fix these mackerel patties. She seasoned them up real good with some homemade biscuits, and that's what I did tonight. This Thursday, August the 4th, and I just wanted an old throwback meal. You ever, sometimes you get in your feelings and you cherish your memories and things bring you back, and oh my God. So this is what I fixed tonight. So I got the mackerel patties, and my biscuits are getting ready to come out of the oven. Yeah, y'all, so here are the biscuits. I be trying to cook a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I don't like wasting food, so I'm gonna take some of these. You know, you can freeze biscuits, and then we can thaw them and have them with thaw them out and have them with a Saturday breakfast. Yeah, I don't waste food. All right, so biscuits and mackerels. That's what we're having tonight. All right, y'all. So here are the mackerels completed. And here are the biscuits. It's Thursday. Make someone smile. Much love. Be blessed. Bye.